Hey traders, this is your market recap for Thursday, May 14th. Looking here at the ES on the 610 chart. We know from yesterday afternoon we had quite a bit of consolidation and chop here in the late afternoon, which kind of carried out into the morning. We had a strong area of resistance at 887 and a strong area of support at 880. And this is kind of confirmed on our higher time frame. We were talking over the past couple days about the 880, 870 area as a big area of support, which we hit yesterday. And today we kind of reversed off of that area. Looking here again at the higher time frames, you can see the support carrying out from yesterday and the resistance holding from yesterday. So when we take a look at the 610 from about market open, which was right here, and all the way really up until about 10:30, 10:20 or 10:30, there wasn't really a whole lot to talk about. Once we got the pop up, we kind of broke through the area, not really convincingly, but we did have a pullback to a high probability area, which is the LRC midband 34% retracement above the zero line, and that failed here to break that high. So you could have taken a small profit when BBs don't take off with the momentum, or very latest break even or a very small couple tick loss. Here, this is a little bit of an overrun of the areas, but you can see we were still right at that zero line and within our sweet spot. And at this point, I'll show you the 1597. This actually lined up quite nice with a bull flag at support in the areas there. So I can see using this as a high probability area, even though it ran that a little bit. If you gave it a shot, we came up, we had divergence between these 2 points. At the area, you could have taken profit, or, very, very latest, if you gave this thing a lot of room, maybe a break even. Best case, a couple points there. We overran, kind of shifted the momentum to the downside, but we were still within the sweet spot here. This was actually 61% retracement. Didn't really give you a very, very clear signal for a long. Until about 11:45, and I know a lot of you were done trading by then, and some of you guys held on through lunch. Just to show you kind of what happened here, we broke through the 888 area of resistance, pulled back to our high probability area, and actually got a really nice number 3 setup here above the zero line. So slam dunk trade here. And your target was the extension point, which we did hit the 61, and when we overran the 61, we actually had a little bit of divergence here, and as we come off of this high, this is where you close. So there was about a 4-point potential on this trade. And here at about just shy of 2 o'clock, I can see the potential for a short here. We are in an uptrend, so technically this would have been a bit of a reversal trade. You did shift the momentum on the 610, but you had support on your higher time frames. You can see the 2584 at this point and the 1597. So higher time frames were showing up. If you gave this a shot, you could have possibly gotten out with a break even or a small loss there. And then you have one more chance for a long here. It's coming off of a high with a little bit of divergence on the BBs, exaggerative, and there is a little bit of momentum coming down off of this high. But technically, it is a good area and kind of broke through, failed to go higher. And then I was looking at this area as a short. There was a little momentum in these BBs, and when you look at the 233, it didn't really give you a nice setup. So, all in all, today was not a horrible day. It gave you, I see 1 or 2, maybe 3 good trades. A couple of them just didn't work out. We've had some really fantastic trading over the past couple weeks, so every once in a while you'll get a slow day like today, which is okay, as long as you are not aggressive and stick with the high probability trades. This is a day that a lot of traders actually lost a lot of money. That obviously don't trade our system. However, if you stuck to the high probability trades, you could have had a couple break evens, and if you were able to catch this 4-point winner here just shy of noon, you could have caught that. Actually, it carried out for about 30 minutes past noon, so this was a really, really slow move. But all in all, again, not every day is a high point day, but as long as you stick to the system, you will do okay and become a very consistent trader. So enjoy the video. We'll look forward to tomorrow, which is Friday, and look for a great trading day again.